friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Carleton is a beautiful town, located on the south shore of the Gaspé Peninsula. Known for its stunning views of the Baie des Chaleurs, Carleton is a lovely spot where the mountains meet the sea, offering a mix of outdoor adventures and peaceful seaside charm. Carleton was founded in the 18th century, and has a rich history tied to Acadian settlers who made this area their home. Today, it's known as Carleton-sur-Mer, reflecting its connection to the sea. The town is surrounded by natural beauty, including Mount St. Joseph, which provides breathtaking panoramic views of the bay and the surrounding region. The area is perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, biking, and enjoying water sports such as kayaking and sailing. Carleton is a great place to explore, relax, and soak in the friendly, laid-back atmosphere of Quebec's coastal life. Whether you're here for the views, the history, or just to enjoy the peaceful vibe, Carleton is sure to capture your heart.